Today, we are making some delicious chili with a combination of leftover tri-tip and some ground beef. Let's get right into it. Let's start off by browning 1 pound of ground beef. Season the ground beef with an all-purpose rub. Salt, pepper, and garlic work just fine. Keep in mind you can use other types of meat here, leftover brisket, chuck roast, whatever you have at hand. Once it's browned up, go ahead and place it in your slow cooker. I went ahead and cubed up my leftover grilled tri-tip. For our seasoning, we need salt, chili powder, cumin, oregano, and some Knorr seasoning. Let's add in our cubed leftover steak. To the pot, I'm adding diced onion and bell pepper. Let's add 3 cans of diced tomatoes. I'm also adding some tomato paste. I've diced up some serrano peppers, and I'm adding some fresh garlic. Let's add in our seasoning. Remember, exact ingredient list and measurements are listed below in the description. Now let's mix. I'm using a slow cooker today, but you can easily do this outside on the grill using a cast iron pot. Cover and let run for 6 to 8 hours on low. 8 hours later, time to serve us up a bowl. I like to top with cheese and add some chopped green onion. And that's it. If you're looking for leftover barbecue recipe ideas, look no further. Time to make some chili.